I was bored, so I decided to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube 1,000 times. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to be doing the first solve out of 1,000. Here I have not too bad a scramble, so I'm hoping I could hopefully get a sub 10. I usually get a sub 10, so I think I will get a sub 10. It's 100% a sub 10. What was I thinking? That was a 6.64. I'll be back at about 50 solves, I think. Yeah, but enjoy the time lapse of the other solves because I don't want to make this video way too long. I literally just got a 0.58 second solve. I didn't have my mic on when I was doing it, but I literally just got a 0.58 second solve. That's actually insane. That's literally insane. 0.58. Actually can't believe I got a 0.58 second solve. Well, that's really, really good. That's obviously really, really, really good. Okay guys, after this solve, I will officially be at 50 solves. .02. Not as good as 0.58. Not even close to being as good. Okay guys, so after this I'll be 10% done, or 100 solves, and I'll be 20% done with the 500 solves I'm gonna probably be doing today, if I can. Might not be doing that. So let's okay, this is a good solve. Okay, that's a 6.42, and that's 100 solves down. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's 100 solves down. My average of 5 was 6.65, my average of 12 was 6.1, and my average of everything was 5.38. That's 100 solves done, and I did that first 100 solves in 22 minutes. So let's go on to the next 100 solves. Okay guys, so after this solve, I will be 200 solves in. So, let's just finish this. Okay. 13.9. Really? Okay guys, so now I have gotten 200 solves. Yay. Okay guys, so after this solve, I will be at 300 solves. So let's just do this. Here I have good white cross. So 3.96, not bad, not bad at all. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, I have just finished 300 solves. Yay. After this solve, I will be at 350 solves, so let's just go. Okay, 5.44, not bad. Okay guys, so after this solve, I will be done with the next 100 solves. And I really want to finish this because I can get a PB average of 100 on 2x2. And that's it, 19.05, 19.04. I said it wrong, 19.0. I said 19.04. That's my new PB of on the 2x2. That's actually really good. And my solve, I got 7.79, but that's pretty good. 19 minutes to do that many solves. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all. And as you can see, there is 400 solves right there. Okay guys, so there's 100 solve. I really don't want to. That's 500 solves in 18 minutes and 34 seconds. That's a new PB of average of 100. I think that's pretty good. So as you can see right there, that's 500 solves. Seems like actually a really easy question. That was such a good solve, and I could have actually gotten like a sub 1 second solve 100% on that, but well, I did it, so I guess this is how it is. Okay guys, so now let's do our 600 solve. There we go, 19.47 to finish that. That's really good. As you can see, that right there is 600 solves. $5.79. That's actually not too bad. But I did get better solves before this. Okay guys, so this is our last solve. There we go, 5.07, and I did that in 19 minutes and 4 seconds. Not my PB, but still really, really good. And there we go, 700 solves. $5.46. I've done 787 solves. So the 787 Dreamliner for the 787 solves. Okay guys, I think I can beat my average of 100 PB. Just all depends on this solve. 747. 1747 I mean. But that's a new average of 100 PB. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's 800 solves. Yay. $5.37. Okay guys, so I really want to get my average of 100 PB. Okay, there we go. I did that in 17 minutes and 2 seconds. That's really, really fast. That's really, really fast. Okay guys, so as you can see, that's 900 solves. Only 100 left to go. So in about 20 minutes, I'll be done. So close. This is gonna be the 50th solve. $5.53. Always keep on getting 5s whenever I record. Okay guys, so this is the last solve and I didn't even do inspection, but there we go. 1,000 solves, and that was a 4.44. 1,000 solves. Okay guys, as you can see, that's 1,000 solves. My average of 5 in all of this is 6.1. My average of 12 was 6.82, and my average in everything was 5.06. And here is all of the solves. Now that's a lot of solves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but until next time, I'm Madshri.